All right, so here's the chair. It's not fully assembled, as you can see. So far, all that we did was take this metal rod here and we stuck it in this swivelly thing. As you can see, I also installed each one of these nice little wheels, as you can see. So now I can spin, turn around. It's really cool. All that's missing are the back of the chair, right? And then I guess the hand stands of the chair, the rails essentially. So we're gonna do that next. We're gonna install it right now. We're gonna still use our handy dandy, we haven't used this yet, our handy dandy Allen wrench. And I'm going to take basically the missing pieces. So this is one of the missing pieces, this right here. And we're gonna take an armrest like this, right? And just make sure right goes on right and so on and so forth. It's gonna say pretty quickly. Let's see, that says left right there. It says right here, as you can see. So this one goes on the right. So here we go, it's that simple. I mean, it's really not rocket science. This is what I love about this chair. Even a toddler, I mean, maybe not a toddler, but even someone with maybe mental complications could make this chair quite nice. So we're gonna stick this in, as we should. Put the metal piece, well, it fell, but don't worry. Put this here. Put these in. So my technique that I like to do is you put them in a bit with the fingers and then you really tighten them one by one, actually, because then it forces the issue less and it's easier to install. So here goes one. Just gotta install it. Voila, that was it. Okay, now we do the other side. Nothing rocket sciencey here at all. Should put the middle piece. And we're almost done with the entire installation of the chair. How cool was that? Now, all that's missing is basically the back of the chair, right? Now, this little piece over here. So this we're gonna install really quickly. You'll see it's gonna take just a couple seconds as well. I'm just gonna move this. So as you can see, these are the 3 screws that it goes. So we do have to move this like this, which I'm gonna do really quickly. Just like that. There we go. And then we're gonna install it right here. So we're gonna take the chair. Boom. Just make sure that these screws go in these holes. So maybe you have to lift it sometimes. This will slide in, as you can see, like this, very beautifully. There's not much you need to do. You just slide it in like this. Boom. See how that slid in? Amazing. Now we're going to add the 3 screws that we said. And we're almost done. Take the 3 screws. And the last thing after this is just the headrest. So literally any screw anywhere, boom, boom, boom. I mean, honestly, I've never had a chair get installed so easily. I mean, it makes sense that you want the chairs to come in a box, because you're also like, how are you gonna bring it into your house, right? And now that it's in your house, you want it to install as easily as possible. And this is definitely one of the easiest chairs in history to install. So there, and then finally we just have to really tighten this one a bit, get that nice and tight. Boom. Okay, finally, last installation step, and then we will do our full review of the chair, what we like, what we don't like, everything. So now it's done. So we can put it straight like this. And the final part is the headstand. So here, only 2 screws. And they will go right here. See that? That's it. Just gotta make them fit. It might be a little tough at first. Make them bite. You can install with 1 person. Do not worry. I'm just being silly here. Okay, yeah, so like that, and hold it like this with 1 hand, and then this can slide in very easily with the other hand. So what we can do here is, once we see that hole, slide it in, and then here you can pull out this tool right here. So then, it was complicated, so what we're gonna do now is just install it like this, the last step. So as you can see, this goes here. Aha, you see now it works. So you just have to put the chair like this for a second, and you can really stick the nut in as you're supposed to. A little tightening here, boom. And then where's the other nut? We're just looking for the other nut now. Oh, I see it. Okay, very good. It was right here. So here, this goes here. Top. Second here. All right. Boom. Amazing. Now finally, we just have to add the last piece of plastic. So this we can put straight now. And then I will give my undivided review of the chair. So the last piece of plastic right there. We have this little part here. It will just slide in and then attach. Boom, done. That's it. Now we have a fully functional 4D adjustable everything chair. See, like this, you can lean back, you can do the crazy things. You have these rotational things as well. If you want to rotate more in front or in behind, you can adjust your seat with this lever right here. Go down, go up. The best part though are definitely the recliners here. I can really move my armrests until I'm nice and steady. And I can move in any direction I want, and that's super practical. I can move however I want, you know, I can spin around. If I had like 15 desks right here, you know, I'd be like one of those hacker movies, no problem at all, super easy. And overall, it's just a very convenient, good chair. That's all there is to it. And I can block it until going back. I just have to pull this thing right here and I can really lean back. And if I do this, you can't do it anymore. So if you gotta be serious, you can be serious. You wanna chill, you can chill. This is the exact kind of chair that makes gamers, that makes crypto professionals, that makes people the people that they can choose to be. It's all thanks to this chair. And so I highly recommend getting this chair. You saw how easy it was to install. You saw how easy it was to use. This was Rex with Web3 Revolution, and I hope to see you in the next video.